Hello everyone, I am Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. In this program, I am going to tell you about cough and what you can do about it. Well, we spend a lot of money on over-the-counter cough medicines and cough syrups. But you will be surprised to know that researchers found that there is very little evidence that cough syrup is effective in treating coughs. And another important point is the clinical trials performed show that these medications are generally no better than a placebo. In fact, cough syrups can make the matters worse as they have some dangerous ingredients including artificial colors, artificial flavors, sweeteners, and high fructose corn syrup. So, in this context, you need to know something about cough. This is very important point. Coughing is actually therapeutic. When you cough, your body is actually trying to eliminate mucus and foreign materials from your upper airway passages and lungs. So, a cough is a symptom and not a disease. So, once you can uncover the underlying cause, you can deal with it in a better way. Actually, there are two types of cough. One is productive cough. A productive cough produces mucus or phlegm, and you should not suppress this type of cough because it helps to clear the mucus or phlegm. This type of cough is often associated with a viral illness like common cold, lung infections, or upper airway infections like pneumonia, bronchitis, chronic lung disease, postnasal drip or postnasal discharge, and smoking. Another one is non-productive cough. It occurs with a common cold, bronchitis, allergies, asthma, or exposure to environmental irritants. So, what exactly works when you have a cough? Well, I am going to tell you a few home remedies and health tips to ease your cough. First and foremost important suggestion is to have plenty of fluids. While coughing, you lose lot of water from your body. Keeping yourself hydrated is of utmost importance in order to flush out toxins from the body. Another important suggestion is to use a humidifier in the room. Though this is not an age-old practice, it's very effective as it does not let your nose and throat get dry, which can make matters worse. People who have a sore throat must try using a humidifier in their rooms. Next, excellent suggestion and home remedy is to have ginger juice with honey and black pepper. Honey soothes the throat like nothing else, and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Both the things in combination make for a perfect cough remedy. And in the same way, next important suggestion, sip on some ginger water. Ginger works wonder for cold, cough, and sore throat. If you are not a fan of chai with Kukatpally chai, you can simply grate some adrak in 1 glass of water and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the water and add honey to it. You can store this magical concoction in a kettle and keep sipping it throughout the day. It will instantly soothe your sore throat. Next important suggestion is to gargle with rock salt or sainda namak. There is nothing as easy as this one. Warm a glass of water and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it or sainda namak. Now gargle with this water 2 to 3 times in a day. Next important dietary suggestion. Drink homemade soups. Sip on some chicken soup or mixed vegetable soup to give your runny nose some relief. And important thing, try to have homemade soups only, as the ones purchased in the market use corn flour to make it thick, which is not very healthy. In this way, you can ease your throat. In the next program, we will meet with another important and interesting topic. Chatam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Chatam Hemantan, Chatam Vasantan. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD, Ayurveda, Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Ramamurthy Nagar, CBCID colony, Hydernagar, Hyderabad 5,85,000, Telangana State, India. Landmark, Kukatpally area, Metro Train pillar number A663. Email, muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Website address www.muralimanohar.com. Phone numbers 9246575510, 9177445454.